Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I share Canva designing tutorial, awesome Instagram tips and tricks, and website development with WordPress. If you are interested in all these topics, then subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon, so you will know when I exactly post a new video. Hello friends, today we are creating this half typography effect using Canva. Let's get started. Let's add a new page first. Click on photos and search for any photo you want. Here I am searching for a particular keyword photo. If you want the same photo, I will add the image keyword in the description. Check out. Let's remove the image background. If you are not using the Canva Pro account, then you can remove the image background using the website link in the description box. Crop image to half. Copy-paste image and again crop image is shown on screen. Change image transparency to 30. Now let's add text. Click on elements and search for frames. Add alphabets frame as per your choice. Add a photo in alphabets frames. Adjust photo. It is a little bit tricky, but you can do that. Let's see on full screen.